Hi and welcome. I've got a sponsor video for you. All right, guys, I have a sponsor video for you. Last couple days ago, I talked about Creations Moran and how her trays are amazing, and you need to go visit her Facebook and her website and get some trays or whatever you need for your diamond painting hobby. But not only do you need trays, but you need wax. Yes, you do. So where can you get a good wax for your multi-placer and your single placer when diamond painting? Well, hello. You go to WeeWax Crafts. She is Laura of Anxiety Art Adventures. She does lives every Monday night. And I want to make sure I get all the information correctly. She's got amazing smelling waxes, guys, and she has wax melts. I haven't tried her wax melts yet, but you have to. You have to. So she uses wax from, I want to get everything. Ooh, I just got a notification. WeeWax has just released London Fog. It's a diamond painting wax and soy wax melts. So she released two different items. Its scent is London Fog, but you can get it in a diamond painting wax, and you can also get it in a soy melt. So yeah, you got to check her out. She uses 100% pure beeswax from a beekeeper in the United States. Yes. So you're getting genuine, real beeswax, natural ingredients when you purchase from WeeWax Crafts. And she uses premium fragrance oils for the scents in the waxes and the melts. So please go check her out. I'm going to show you the ones that I have gotten from her and let you smell them. You ready? Okay. They come in a nice little package. It's also in an envelope, which I totally destroyed. So I've done this video once before, but they were huge mess ups and the sound was in and out, so I had to redo it. And I've already eaten the candy she put in here, so the candy is gone. Yeah. So you do get her business card. Let me move the camera down a little bit. You do get a business card, WeeWax Crafts. And here is her information. Now, when you go to her website, make sure you get on her email. And if you have Instagram, follow her on Instagram. She puts up all kinds of updates on the Instagram and through the email. And you get this cute little bee sticker. Well, why not? It's beeswax. She sends you, the last time I ordered from her, I got a lemon scented tea. Oh, it was amazing. So today is strawberry and elderflower herbal tea. Definitely going to use that. And here is Strawberry Fields. Strawberry Fields forever. You don't want me to sing anymore. This was last month's, well, it was for March, for the Emma Casey DP Along 2026. She came up with this one just for that event. I am doing that event, and I needed another pretty smelling wax, because when you put her wax in your pens, You can smell it the whole time you're doing your project. And I love it. Just love it. So this is Strawberry Fields. Smell. Doesn't that smell good? And I also have Cucumber Melon. This one doesn't have as strong of a scent as the other ones I have, but it is pretty. Oh my goodness. And my favorite so far is lemon sugar cookie. See, I've used it quite a bit. And it still smells like the first day I got it. Oh my gosh, I love the lemon sugar cookie. Love it. And this shipment of the lemon sugar cookie came with Kit Kat lemon flavor. And I don't know why it's blurry. Let me try moving it up a little bit. We all know the struggles. So check out WeeWax Crafts. She has donated 2 gift cards for my event. So make sure you check her out. Make sure you're following along with Diamond Painting Friends Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, and you're following on all the things. And stay tuned on Tuesdays when I do a drawing. One of these, well, this one won't be. One of these will be included in the surprise pack box from me to one of my participants. So stay tuned. Okay, everybody, I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.